Hi, I'm Jan from Velomobiel World. Today's video is more for the USA market and Canada. So if you're from other sides of the world, I'm sorry, this video is not for you, so you can stop looking here. For those who are staying and you are from USA or Canada, we want to try a new way of selling in America and Canada. A couple of weeks ago we had Craig coming over, Craig Cantori. I think I pronounced his name correctly. And we had a long time talks. We talked a lot. It was really pleasant to talk with Craig. And we were thinking, how could we make sure that more people enjoy Velomobiles in USA? And yeah, he left, and then I got also thinking, and he got thinking, and we stayed in contact. And we were thinking, there fits 12 bulks in an ocean container of 20 feet. So we were thinking that will reduce the transport costs quite significant. So if we would sell 12 bulks to the most prominent Velomobile driver of USA and Canada, and yeah, that's my daughter.
Hi.
Hi. So what we offer is we offer 12 Velomobiles, bulk Velomobiles. We put them in an ocean container, so we have reduced shipping costs. We will offer these bulk Velomobiles with a strong discount, and we expect from you, from these 12 ambassadors, that you go to events where a lot of cyclists going. We put the website on the side of the bike and a QR code. You bring some promotion material with you. This kind of things. And yeah, if somebody buys a Velomobile because of your effort, you get also still a discount on your next purchase. The project is just started, so not everything is perfectly set in concrete, well defined. This video is more to see who is interested, and yeah, the details we will discuss a bit later on. I also wrote an article, so the link is in the description, about some more details. If you are interested, you are from USA or Canada, please contact Craig. And if you have other questions, other related questions than this, you can also email me. Also, my email address is down in the description, and I wish you a great day. Have fun. See you next time. If you came all the way here, you might like our content. You could really help us out with subscribing, put the notifications on, let a comment behind what you want to see next time.